In the ever-evolving world of YouTube content, the allure of faceless channels continues to grow, offering creators the freedom to build massive audiences without ever stepping in front of the camera. As we look ahead to 2025, certain niches stand out for their high virality potential, driven by trends, audience engagement, and the scalability of content creation. Here are the top 10 faceless YouTube niches poised for explosive growth, each offering unique opportunities for creators to captivate viewers and ride the next wave of viral success. First on the list is the rapidly expanding domain of AI tools and tech explainers. With artificial intelligence transforming industries at a breakneck pace, the demand for clear, accessible explanations has never been higher. Audiences are hungry for content that demystifies complex tools like ChatGPT, breaks down the latest AI news, and offers practical insights into automation and prompt engineering. Channels in this niche thrive by simplifying intricate concepts, making them understandable for viewers of all backgrounds. Using screen recordings, voiceover narration, and dynamic graphics, creators can consistently deliver high-value content that taps into a global curiosity about the future of technology. As the AI landscape continues to evolve, the appetite for these explainers will only grow, ensuring a steady stream of viewers eager to stay informed and ahead of the curve. Next, we turn to motivational compilation and quotes channels, a niche that has proven to be evergreen and emotionally resonant. These channels curate inspiring speeches, powerful success stories, and timeless quotes from stoic philosophers, athletes, and entrepreneurs. By weaving together uplifting music, striking visuals, and compelling narration, creators craft content that speaks directly to the ambitions and struggles of their audience. The shareability of motivational videos is unmatched. Viewers often pass them along to friends or revisit them during moments of doubt. Whether it's gym mindset affirmations or daily doses of wisdom, this niche offers an endless well of content possibilities. The emotional impact ensures high engagement, while the universal appeal guarantees a broad, loyal following. Luxury lifestyle and rich life stories represent another niche with explosive viral potential. Audiences are endlessly fascinated by the world of billionaires, yacht tours, and private jet escapades. These channels offer a window into aspirational lifestyles, using stock footage, creative editing, and engaging narration to paint vivid pictures of opulence. Short-form content showcasing luxury homes, exotic vacations, and high-end gadgets captures attention quickly and is highly shareable across platforms. The allure of the unattainable, combined with the visual spectacle of wealth, ensures that these videos rack up views and spark conversations. For creators, the niche offers flexibility. Content can range from listicles of the world's most expensive cars to deep dives into the habits of self-made millionaires. True crime and mystery narration remains a perennial favorite, drawing in viewers with tales of unsolved cases, creepy mysteries, and missing persons. The genre's strength lies in its ability to captivate audiences for extended periods, resulting in high watch times and exceptional audience retention. Using a blend of archival footage, maps, and subtle sound design, creators can build suspenseful narratives without ever revealing their identity. The loyal communities that form around these channels are passionate and engaged, often contributing theories and insights in the comments. As new cases emerge and old mysteries resurface, the content pool remains fresh and compelling. For those with a knack for storytelling, this niche offers both creative fulfillment and significant growth potential. Finance and side hustle tips channels have surged in popularity, especially during times of economic uncertainty. Viewers are constantly searching for ways to make money online, generate passive income, and navigate financial challenges. Faceless creators excel in this niche by presenting actionable advice, breakdowns of trending side hustles, and reviews of money-making apps. Visual aids like charts, infographics, and screen recordings enhance the learning experience, while concise narration ensures the information is digestible. The evergreen nature of financial advice, coupled with the urgency of recession tips and investment strategies, guarantees a steady influx of viewers. As economic landscapes shift, these channels can quickly adapt, keeping their content relevant and in demand. Celebrity drama and pop culture recaps tap into society's insatiable appetite for gossip and entertainment. Fast-paced videos covering the latest celebrity scandals, Hollywood drama, and viral gossip dominate recommended feeds and trending pages. Faceless creators leverage news clips, paparazzi photos, and animated graphics to deliver juicy recaps that keep audiences hooked. The rapid turnover of pop culture news means there's always fresh material to cover, and the conversational, sometimes humorous tone of these channels fosters a sense of community among viewers. The combination of speed, relevance, and entertainment value makes this niche a powerhouse for viral growth, especially among younger demographics. History and conspiracy documentaries offer a binge-worthy escape into the unknown. Channels in this niche produce deep dives into hidden history, ancient civilizations, and secret societies, all while maintaining a faceless presence. By sourcing archival footage, illustrations, and dramatic reenactments, creators build immersive narratives that transport viewers across time and space. The sense of intrigue and discovery fuels high engagement as audiences eagerly seek out new theories and forgotten stories. The educational aspect adds credibility, while the mysterious subject matter encourages repeat viewing and discussion. This niche is particularly well-suited for long-form content, allowing creators to explore complex topics in detail and build a devoted subscriber base. Animated educational shorts have exploded in popularity thanks to their ability to condense complex information into bite-sized, visually engaging segments. Topics like brain facts, science hacks, and psychology tricks are perfect for YouTube Shorts, where attention spans are short and replayability is key. Faceless creators use animation software and voiceover narration to bring concepts to life, making learning both fun and memorable. The fast-paced format encourages viewers to watch multiple videos in a single session, driving up channel metrics and increasing the likelihood of virality. As educational content becomes more gamified and interactive, this niche will continue to attract curious minds of all ages. Gaming lore and stories channels cater to the massive gamer base on YouTube, offering deep dives into game theories, character backstories, and plot explanations. These channels thrive on community engagement as fans eagerly dissect every detail and speculate about future developments. Faceless creators use gameplay footage, fan art, and animated sequences to illustrate their narratives, creating a rich, immersive experience for viewers. The evergreen nature of popular games, combined with the constant release of new titles and updates, ensures a steady stream of content opportunities. Whether unraveling the mysteries of a beloved franchise or exploring the hidden lore of indie games, this niche offers endless possibilities for storytelling and audience growth. Finally, Animal Facts and Nature Wonders channels tap into the universal appeal of the natural world. From cute animal compilations to fascinating profiles of rare species, these channels use stock footage and Creative Commons clips to showcase the wonders of nature. The content is accessible, family-friendly, and highly shareable, making it ideal for viewers of all ages. Voiceover narration adds context and personality, transforming simple visuals into captivating stories. The educational value, combined with the innate charm of animals, ensures consistent engagement and a broad audience reach. As environmental awareness grows, these channels can also explore topics like conservation and wildlife protection, adding depth and relevance to their content. In summary, the landscape of faceless YouTube niches in 2025 is rich with opportunity. Whether you're passionate about technology, storytelling, education, or entertainment, there's a niche that aligns with your interests and skills. The key to success lies in understanding your audience, delivering consistent value, and staying attuned to emerging trends. By leveraging the power of voiceover, stock visuals, and creative editing, creators can build thriving channels that capture the imagination of millions without ever showing their face. As these 10 niches demonstrate, the era of faceless content is just beginning, and the possibilities for viral growth are virtually limitless.